What happens if you're a little bit of a soy dev like me, but you're not so much of a soy dev that you want to use straight up VS Code? Well, you would use VSCodium. So I'm making this video for two reasons. One, just to show off VSCodium. The second one is because I want to see if anyone has the solution to a problem that I have. They can just leave a comment about it down below. So anyways, what is VSCodium? VSCodium is VS Code without Microsoft branding and without Microsoft telemetry. It's just VS Code with minimal Microsoft. You can use any of these options to install it. I'm on Mac, so I used Homebrew. Pretty straightforward. Anyways, this is just the GitHub repo right here. I'll leave it linked down in the description below. So here is VSCodium. This is what it looks like. I have my own color theme. It's called Lucario. I think it's really pretty. The thing with it, though, is that if you look for Lucario in the marketplace, it doesn't show up under the extensions. So how do we get around this? Well, this is the first problem I have, is I want to see if anyone knows the solution. So if you do know how to point this Microsoft, or this search bar right here, to the Microsoft marketplace, leave a comment down below because that would make life a lot easier for me. What I'm doing right now is you can go to the online extension store for VS Code. You can find an extension that you want, and then instead of installing it right here, what you can do is you can go down to download extension and just download it into your file system. And then what you can do is you can take this file, you can just this VSIX file, and just drag it into your extensions, and it will install it for you. So now the studio highlighting is here. It wasn't there before. That's how I just installed it. I would like if I could just search here like to do and see if it shows up. I don't know if this one actually does. Yeah, so wait, this one does show up. Is it the same one? Let's see, this one has 2,500 downloads. And this one doesn't show the downloads. So yeah, this one has, okay, so 15,000. So it's not the same version. Anyways, yeah, it would just be nice if I could have this point to the same marketplace, because there are a lot of extensions that you have to find over here and install. The other thing that I'm going to point out just right now, this was a problem for me originally, but I figured it out, is let's see, is this, yeah, this is live share. So live share is like kind of Google Docs where you can collaboratively code with other people. I probably wouldn't have it installed except for I'm part of an agile class right now, and one of the things we do for that class is we do like coding swarms or whatever, and we use live share to collaborate on that. So to do that, you need to sign in, and you can either sign in with Microsoft or sign in with GitHub. If you sign in with GitHub right now, it's super buggy, so I don't know if anybody knows a way to do that. I just signed in with Microsoft and everything works fine. So if you do use live share, then that's what you'll have to do to sign in. I think that's everything I wanted to show. This isn't a super long video. It's, yeah, I just wanted to show that off and also see maybe someone might have a solution for me on how I can install extensions right in VSCodium instead of going to the online VS Code extension marketplace and then dragging the file up into my my extensions bar in VSCodium. So anyways, hopefully this is helpful. And then if someone does know the solution to the extension thing, just leave a comment down below. I would greatly appreciate it, so thank you very much. Otherwise, I hope you all have a good day. Thanks for watching.